Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating and verifying your Mexc account, then enable two-factor authentication for safety. Next, generate an API key with trading permissions only and copy the secret immediately because you cannot retrieve it later. Once done, pick a reputable trading bot platform that lists Mexc integration. Make sure to read permission scopes. Limiting to trade and read reduces risk. Finally, fund a small test balance to avoid large mistakes while you perform the initial connection. Now you configure the bot strategy step by step. Choose grid, trend following, or dollar cost averaging based on your market view. Then set clear risk parameters, maximum position size, stop loss percentage, and per trade size, so the bot cannot overexpose you. Make sure to backtest the configuration on historical Mexc data to see expected behavior, and run a paper trade session to validate entries and exits in real time. This reduces surprises when moving to live trading. Finally, go live with a conservative allocation and watch trades closely for the first 24 to 72 hours so you understand real execution and slippage. Make sure to enable alerts for API errors, high slippage, or rapid drawdown so you catch issues early. If something goes wrong, repeated order failures, or unexpected losses, pause the bot immediately, revoke the API key, and inspect bot logs and exchange order history to identify root causes. Then adjust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.